All right, I don't know what's going on with my overlays. It's very like complicated. It's like a complicated thing running on AWS. I don't even know how to log into AWS. What? I don't even. I don't even know. Hmm. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to turn the overlays off. Because they are just switching my scenes in OBS, which is very funny. Okay. Well, I think I can get logged in to AWS. I think I can do that much. And then the question is, can I figure out how to disable whatever is doing this? Oh, you know what? Maybe I just restart this thing. It's an ECS service running. Okay, so if I just restart this, what happens? What happens if I restart it? Let's find out. Here we go. Good morning, everybody. Good afternoon, good evening, whatever it is for you in your part of the world. Who's here? Welcome to chat, Fatudi GG. Good morning, Leo and Mahadra. What's your favorite vegan dish? Great question. Great question. Favorite vegan dish. So the favorite thing that I eat right now, this thing is restarting. We'll see if it works. My favorite thing that I eat right now is my salad that I have every day for lunch. Uh, it's not like a typical American salad, you know. It's not like some iceberg lettuce and ranch on it. It's like it's a giant bowl and it's quite hearty. There's like a lot of chickpeas. It's a good salad. We get these vinegars from some place called Dr. Furman. Well, that's a person. He's a person, Dr. Furman, and he sells these like balsamic vinegars online. Not balsamic, just vinegars. And there's oh man, they're so good. So I do like a bunch of tahini and chickpeas and like this lemon basil balsamic or not balsamic. I keep saying balsamic lemon basil vinegar and like hemp seeds. And oh man, it's so good. I just look forward to it every day. It's like the highlight of my day is eating that salad. So that's my favorite vegan dish, I guess. Danio, what's up? How's this possible when Adam only streams once in a full moon? I know. How did you come on a three stream streak? Three stream streak. Say that 5 times fast. How'd you even do that? Good morning, Ryan James Cassidy. Ryan, what's up? I am consistent. If I'm anything, it's consistent. That's not true. Biryani. I love Indian food. I do love Indian food. Am I still on the chat? Am I still on the screen? Okay, yeah. It's restarting. We'll see. I guess it's working. I'll know it's working because, let's see. If I start playing Spotify, which I should do anyway, if it's not working, then we won't see it in my overlays. If it is working, then there's some complicated machinery on AWS that is picking up my Spotify stuff with my Spotify OAuth token and putting it on display. So let's test it. Let's just see. Here we go. Is it working? Is it on the screen? It's on the screen. It's working. Actually, I think instead of restarting it, it has started another task in the cluster, so there are 2 tasks running. I don't know what that'll do. I think they were meant to be a single task running in isolation. So we'll see. Okay. I need to get to real work. I just don't want it to be cutting away from my... Like if it just cuts away from my thing the whole time. I look sad? Hello to YouTube chat. Love listening to you code. Good cheese sandwich with coffee. Okay. Tofu, sweet potatoes, and quinoa. Yes, Argo. Now we're talking. Thank you so much for the, what did you guys do? Somebody, oh, that was a 3 stream streak. I've never seen this before. I guess you didn't do anything. You just showed up 3 days, which is also great. Thank you for that. I need to figure out how to filter out the follows so I can better, I don't know how to do that. Edit. I'll do it later. I'll do it later. Are we gonna get more podcast episodes? Yes. If Prime and T's not done 3 days in a row, that's funny. Nariusy, what's up? I'll just call you Philip Nariusy because it's hard for me to say Nariusy. Okay, we're going to gotta disable the MacBook thing. Yeah, I need to do that because you're not gonna win a MacBook. Just guys, you just don't redeem it. Just don't. Okay. It is a very complicated overlay. I really need to simplify it. But it's running. This seems to be running now. So I guess if it doesn't switch me, just be really loud. I don't know how you'll do that. But you need to be really loud if it switches my. It's connected to my OBS, so it's kind of a problem because it has control of my OBS, and for some reason it thinks it needs to switch. Man, this UI is so. Look at this. I can't see the content for all of this. It's like R2y. How do I close half of this so I can? That doesn't seem right. I don't think that's the correct logs. I think those are for. Yeah, here we go. Let's see. Twitch chat. OBS proxy setup complete. Connected to OBS, so it is connected. Ideally, it does not switch my scenes for reasons I don't understand. That would be good. It connects to Spotify, it connects to Twitch and OBS. It's all running in this container, and I don't know how any of it works anymore. It's so funny. You at the time you're like, this is a good idea. I'm gonna build all this stuff, and then later you're like, why did I do that? So let's go to my GitHub. Let's see if I can find. This is the code for it all, which I'm not going to work on right now, by the way. I'm not going to work on this because I've got OpenCode stuff to do. But this is where it all lives. So I guess I could look at this and figure out, like, why does it switch to the init screen, for instance? Proxy start timer. Yeah, I'd be curious why it does that. Proxy init. Here we go. Okay. Init WebSocket. That's not what I'm looking for. There should be like a place where we're changing the scene. Let's see. Scene. It's not a scam lag. It's just, it used to be a real thing, and then I don't want to do it anymore. And I haven't taken the time to update my overlays to disable it. So yeah, just don't win it right now. If someone actually won right now, that would suck. Because I really don't want to give somebody a MacBook. Just not really what I'm in the mood to do right now. OBS, let's see, scene name, proxy set scene, okay. Stop break, transition. I feel like we're gonna see where it's calling a init. Oh, what's this? Nope, not it. This is very complicated. It's very, leans into AWS stuff very hard. Set scene. Oh, come on. David, are you here? What's up, 37 chairs? Streamer streak. That's right. Let's see. Where do we call? So there are also. Oh, here we go. Set scene. This is it. So when I go live, it calls set scene init, and then after 30 seconds, it calls set scene intro. Okay. Okay. So live.start, huh? Huh. It's very complicated. Okay, back to OpenCode, because that's what we need to do right now. GitHub Copilot integration. I just saw something about that this morning. Aiden's working on that. Alejandro. So OBS stream started. Live start is called right there. And then what is this? If you post to slash. What? Oh, post to live index. I'm sure that's behind auth, right? That's the other thing, is this is all tied into like my website. Oh yeah, so it says live now at adam.tv. That's not true anymore. I don't even know that domain anymore. It's all tied into my website. So like you get notifications here. Like if people do things, I think this is how it works. So this is my adam.dev website, right? And if I do chance at a MacBook, yeah. So the notifications show up on my website because I just wired it all together. It's just it's a big mess. I need to go in and probably update it. Okay, anyways, let's do real stuff. I need to look at pull requests. So we're gonna look at some OpenCode pull requests. I've got GPT 5.2 X-High going now for 208 minutes. Cool. Don't love that. Don't love that it's taken 209 minutes. It's really thinking about it. Like I did give it kind of a complicated thing to do. I just gave it like a whole bunch of stuff trying to like see how well it could follow a big long task. And it is really thinking about it. Like, it has not written a single line of code yet. And we are, what is 209 minutes? 3+ hours in? Cool, yeah, I started that at like 5, so almost 4 hours? That's not a super usable situation with AI. Like, that's not keeping you in the loop or in the flow. Okay, let's look at, see if there's any desktop PRs I need to look at real quick. Oh, interesting. Thanks for this one, Ryan. Not anymore. Yeah, we should have a link. Yeah. Oh, we have a docs page for the web. Cool. This is good. This is great. Thank you, Ryan. Thank you, sir. We're gonna get that one merged. I need to push to prod too, because we need to update the website. Publish session error. I guess I should do the ones that are requesting review from me. That'll filter this out. I always like to just look through the whole list. But it's probably easier this way. Oh. There's a typo on an import? Oh. Wait. Oh. It was okay because it was being imported again down here. That's funny. That's in OpenCode. Why is it requesting my review? I don't know, but we'll merge it. That looks fine, right? Yeah, that's the move. Nothing's using pat, surely. Right? Surely? Oh, what if something's using the pat import? It's possible, you know? It's possible. Let's look. I need to put something... on the screen over here. Yeah, like that. Oh, I'm on a different branch. I can't even look. I'm gonna guess that's fine. This is not really a thing I need to merge, but it requested me for a review, so I guess I'm gonna just do it. Oh, it fixes an issue? Oh, he created an issue just for this. It's fine. Oh, wait, it's already been fixed, maybe. It's probably been fixed. No, there was just another one added. Wait, it's just double imported. I don't know. I'm already over it. This is not my pull request. What am I looking at? It needs to be rebased, but I feel like I could just push the change, you know? I guess, is he an existing contributor? Maybe he wants his contributor title and we'll just... Oh, he is a contributor. Mind rebasing? I guess I could just do it. What am I talking about? I'll just do it. I'll resolve the conflict. It's fine. Accept incoming change. And then I want to delete this one. Cool. That was it, right? Yeah. Mark is resolved. Oh, that's not what I want. Okay. Who else is here? Hello, Loki. Does it one shot? Yeah, it does a really good job. I mean, I found GPT 5.2 does a really good job. That's what I have found. It is pretty slow. But I don't know, it's weird. Like, just like last week, I was doing a lot of 5.2, and I felt like the average for 5.2 X high was like 15-20 minutes. And now this week I've had this happen twice where it just seems like it's gonna go forever. Like it has no plans to actually start doing work. And I never have been patient enough to let it sit and just see, like, when will it finish? I don't know, I think something's wrong actually. I need to, what's up Aiden? I need to figure out if we have a problem here. Aiden did say that we updated the SDK, or the OpenAI compatible whatever provider. I don't know if that would have caused this, but shows directory properly in WebUI, implement SSH session. That one's huge. Add command to toggle appearance, iterative planning and plan review. What? That's a big one. That's not gonna be for me. Yeah, this is like TUI stuff. Why am I on here? I wonder why I'm getting added to some of this stuff. It's really weird. I guess if he touched a desktop file, then maybe that would explain it. App. Okay, packages app. Yeah, that would do it. Wait, but what? Okay, so this is a big PR. Yeah, that's probably not gonna go well. Cool. Let's see. Testing bugs of libraries. And just when I see like somebody submitted 3 in quick succession, kind of makes me want to look at those and see what they look like. Ooh, one line. Love these PRs. What do we do here? Handle JSON parse error on double escape abort. Is this in the desktop? That's TUI. I'm getting added on all this stuff. Why is it adding me to review all these? Again, these are just TUI changes. Never mind. I'm bowing out. Actually, I'm gonna send a message real quick. Does my thing, Clanker PRs, that's right. Does my secrets thing work? Let's see. Secrets. I want to fuzzy my screen. Fuzzy. Does it work anymore? Doesn't look like it. Oh, maybe I can just do it like this. There we go. Cool. I'm gonna send a message real quick. I still seem to be getting added as a reviewer on lots of non-app PRs. Not sure if code owners is at fault. I guess people could be manually just adding me. It's possible. Okay. AWS detected, that's right. I've had to log into AWS this morning, Aiden. I told Chad earlier, I wrote this crazy convoluted overlay system that all runs on AWS with like tons of AWS services. I don't remember how any of it works, and it's what's driving this stream right now. And earlier it was like switching my OBS scene. like there's rules in it. It's connected to my OBS over WebSocket. And yeah, I don't know. It's like years ago I wrote this, maybe a year, 2 years ago. So I don't remember any of it. Prime leaking secrets for like 30 minutes was fun. Did Prime leak secrets today? He really does live up to that. He just does it every day. Does desktop app support questions yet? Yes, Tensai. I believe just this build that we just released this morning, 1.1.20, has questions support. It has not had David's blessing yet. Speaking of David, David, are you here? Do you want to get on a call? Should really teach Prime how to stream. Yeah, he's kind of a rookie, isn't he? Don't know how they leak secrets. I actually don't know how he leaks secrets either. I know he has that reputation, but... Slim, welcome to chat. It is not Electron, it is Tori. Can you also review and approve the TUI changes so it fixes some of my bugs? That is for the TUI team. I don't care about those guys at all. I want to beat them, actually. I want the desktop to beat the TUI. So, PR, changelog pros, PR don't merge. Let's see it. Let's see. I'm just gonna do the. Is it set to? Review requested. Changelog page. Okay. Let's see this. Ooh, wait. Why am I not merging it? Why am I not merging it, Ryan? Because I want to click the button. I do. I want to click it. Oh, Aiden, yeah, OpenTUI is great. Like Pooey. That's funny. You're doing caching stuff? Yeah, if you could actually make it where our page, any of our pages cache, because I'm pretty sure we still don't have, like our home page does not have cache headers. I don't understand, actually, why we haven't done that yet. Bothers me, actually, a lot. Oh, cache control, no cache. Yeah. Why? Our homepage does not change. Why we have a cache control, no cache? Oh, that's request headers. Oh, my bad. Nothing on the response headers. Yeah. That's what I thought. So if I refresh that, maybe I was holding shift. Yeah, we just don't have cache headers, and it really bothers me that our website doesn't have cache headers. So maybe we could do that. Other quality of life, cool. We're all in on. But we're all in Go, so Charm is tempting. Yeah. Isn't this just served over Cloudflare Edge, though? Does it really matter? Does Cloudflare just automatically cache pages even if you don't do cache headers? I'm more of an AWS guy, so I don't really know these things. What's up, Pravan? Heyo. Same for a private project. Too many ideas, too little time. Serving it out of the same edge regardless. Default A, yes. I mean, it is kind of responsive today. It's just I haven't really focused on it yet. But there will also be a native mobile app. So both things. The web will be responsive, and there will be a native mobile app. Okay, I'm gonna get on. I think we're gonna bring David on a call. Fuzzy search adapter. What is this? That doesn't seem good. Let's see. Fuzzy search adapter? Is this a recent change? And did we break something? No, it's a plugin. It's probably a plugin. Probably. How to get version 1.1.20? Not in the web app yet. Adding soon. I believe David's already got that mocked up. Let's see if David is in the... No. I'm gonna join and see if David just sees it and then joins. Because he was gonna get on a call with us and walk through some of this stuff. Did you open code today? I opened code. I am open with the code right now. We are waiting on a GPT 5.2 session. that is aggressively thinking. Like, aggressively. It never used to do this, so I really don't know, like, I feel like we've regressed. I feel like something's wrong if it's thinking for 220 minutes. It doesn't seem right. It's not good. I don't love it. I think the way 5.2 works though, like it'll think like this forever, and then it'll do all the changes at once. Like it doesn't do like Opus where it's like think a little, write a little, think a little, write a little. It's like think everything, just lay it all out up front, all the reasoning tokens, and then just implement it all like at once. That's what I've noticed, but it still shouldn't take 4 hours. That's intense. Is that David? Oh, I don't know if you're the first one hopping on chat. Can you hear him? I'm on Twitch. Yeah, you're fine to be here if you want to be, but David's gonna get on and we're gonna actually be on Twitch on purpose together. You're on accident. Yeah, I just don't know if you're actually coming over. I guess I could ask chat. Super loud, very softly, kind of in the background. Somebody said super loud. And somebody said not at all. Hey, thanks. I didn't want to fix my hair today. What am I looking for? I'm looking for loopback. Here we go. So I got to figure out how would I bring in Discord. Oh, I think I've added it before. It's the best. You know who else uses it? Tej. Me and Tej. Good taste. You know what? I think no. Oh no, yeah, he does have a Mac. He uses a Mac for his streaming. So there you go. Can you guys hear him now? Can you talk, Dax? You were hearing him. You were hearing him through my headphones. Do you hear him now through? No? Stupid OBS. Let's see. Desktop audio. And then this thing is coming in. I don't know. I don't know if this app even works, to be honest. It might not. It looks really cool. Yeah, it's not working, like clearly. Oh, you know what? I bet if I change my audio settings on Discord. Yes. Output device. Oh, this is gonna break. Where does it say that? Oh, that seems bad. Now talk. Yeah, I unchecked it. Okay, let's try this. I'm gonna delete this one. Can I delete it? What's wrong? Oh. Now I'm gonna try this. This is gonna break. Oh god. I knew it was. I knew it was gonna be so bad. Did you hear that? Could you guys hear that? Okay, well I can't have people hear you, I guess. That's unfortunate. Are you even still there? I may have broken my audio. I did, I broke it. Universal Audio Thunderbird, Thunderbolt. I don't know. Oh, you can't hear me. Now it's me. I'm not coming over. Pickles. Dax is talking and I can't hear him. Is that what's going on? How about this? Can you hear me now, Dax? Can you hear me now, Dax? Check. Well, that's weird. I'm lighting up, you're lighting up, but I don't hear you. I just like literally broke audio completely. Okay, well, I'm over it. I'm gonna close this. Oh, there's one other thing I could look at. I have such a complicated setup. It's really stupid. Oh no, is my session broken? No. So there's this thing. This is where my music is coming in. I don't know, if I touch something here, you guys will just never hear me again on stream, probably. Okay, I'm over it. Another audio app, I know. It's too complicated. I don't remember how any of this stuff works. Dax, change Discord output? Yeah, I feel like I should be able to hear you in Discord at least. That seems wrong. Yeah. It's set to... Can you talk now? I don't know, it's just straight broken. I think I'll have to kill Discord. Maybe if I kill Discord. Wait, it didn't close Discord? Command Q? What's that do? Yeah, man, it's too my setup is too something. There's too much going on. I might just have to make the plunge, because the reason I never went to Linux desktop is I felt like my streaming setup wouldn't work. Like, it doesn't work on Mac, so like I might as well go full Linux and then just like build it up brick by brick and make it much simpler. Okay, let's see if I can hear Dax. Can you hear me? Nice, okay. At least we can hear each other. Chat doesn't need to hear you. Forget about chat. You're the Linux setup, that's right. Okay. Did you have anything? Did you really? Yeah. I saw a framework at Tejas' house. He's got a framework desktop. Yeah, if I could... You can't run Linux on like a Mac Studio, can you? But I wonder if it's any good. Dax, you're my proxy for Aiden right now. Can you tell me why does 5.2 take so much longer now? Like, it's this week it started taking so much longer, and either they changed stuff at OpenAI or... It's brutal, but I don't... Yeah, Medium took forever. Yeah. Is it possible? So Aiden had mentioned we upgraded the OpenAI compatible provider. He said we upgraded it because it had some bug fixes, but I wonder, is it possible it could create this? It just thinks forever. It just thinks and thinks and thinks and thinks. No, I could. I don't know, I want to, it's like some cost. I don't want to like abandon this session. But it's just, it feels like it's never going to finish. I mean, I can show you the raw messages if you want to see them. All 218 of them. Oh, you need to build that feature so I can show you the network requests. Oh, yeah. What's this output tokens? Like 38 output tokens? What is that? That can't be right. Oh, yeah, it's 0 reasoning tokens. Oh yeah, because it really only has written like one little line. That makes sense. Okay. So it just doesn't include reasoning tokens. It's another bug. Could be just on Zen. I don't know. Alright, well, this sucks. I just reached for a cat build that doesn't exist. Yeah, at this point I feel like I have to cancel it, but it just feels bad because it's been going since 5 a.m. this morning, and I had high hopes. It's been going for 4 hours. Yes, Dax, yes. This is why I'm salty. That's what I'm saying. I don't understand what's going on. I feel like there's no way this is like happening for everybody on OpenAI, or there'd be a lot more noise about it. So I feel like it could be the... what is the, what's the agent? No, AI SDK. SDK OpenAI compatible. I just want to see if there's like stuff on their GitHub. Yeah. It's kind of killing me because this is like I don't use Opus and this is my main model. Issues. Oh, right. They are, yeah. I don't even know what to search. I just need to look. I just need to glance at these. What's weird is like, it's not doing anything egregiously like error looking. It's just thinking and all the thinking is coherent. It just doesn't make sense why it would do this much thinking. I just forgot I was streaming for a second, and they can't hear you, so I gotta entertain the. Oh, Dylan, what's up again? Sorry, you can't hear Dax. Yeah, no, sorry, I can't figure out my audio. There should be some way for me to route that audio to you guys, but can't figure it out. My macOS window margins. You mean you don't like the space between my windows, like around the edges and stuff? Because I like it. That's an aesthetic choice of mine. Yeah, it's taking like 5.2 Pro times. That's right, Alejandro. It's even worse. It's like, why not use Big Pickle? I've not used Big Pickle much. I have expensive taste, and it's just hard for me to imagine a free model being better than the paid ones. Nobody uses 5.2 for coding. Yeah, they do, Ryan. I do, all the time. Thanks so much for the raid, Dylan. Welcome, Dylan Raiders. Hope you're having a good day. I mean, this prompt that I used was intense. I don't know if I can. It's got 8 screenshots in it. I mean, it's... I don't know what form I would... You want to see it, and then you can tell me? Oh, just 4 screenshots. Yeah, okay. Yeah. I'll just give you this on Discord. Hope there's nothing I can't leak in here. Upload his file. Okay. There it is. Yeah, I'd be curious. I mean, it doesn't have the screenshots, but I'd be curious if you ran that, like, what happens. I'm gonna have to stop this prompt. It's too long. It's not gonna get there. $17.89. That is crazy. I mean, this never was a thing before. I've never had it run for... Yeah, so yesterday I had a medium one take way longer than it should have. It's weird because I don't even know if it's stuck. It's like, if I read through it, it's like it actually is just working through the problem. It's just so slow. Yes. Yes. That's what I just told chat that. Like, it'll think forever and then it just, it like runs all the changes. It's like it gets everything out of the way at the beginning. It solves all the problems and then it just blasts through it. Okay. Well, it's making some tool calls. It made some read calls. Here's a bunch of grep and read. Oh, that's a question. How does the pruning work? Is it pruning if there's just assistant messages? If there's 200 assistant messages, is it ever pruning or is it only pruning from user message? Like breakpoints. Another user. Okay. So there's no way it would prune mid. It's not like it's losing these tool calls or something. Okay. Damn. I don't know. It just feels completely broken now. Unusable. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cancel this and I'm gonna see what Opus does with this prompt. I feel like it's not gonna do it very well, but I wanna see. And I can't stare at this for 5 and 6 hours. So it's a bummer to stop a session this long. I guess I could let it keep going. Well, that's what I was saying to chat. Like last week, I would say the average X-High session for me was like 15 to 20 minutes. That's with X-High. Could you try, do you have an easy way to try reverting our update to the OpenAI compatible provider and seeing locally if it goes faster all of a sudden? You know what I'm saying? Do you have a way locally to just quickly go back to the old OpenAI compat provider that we just updated it, Aiden said? Do you have a way to revert that locally and then test it, see if it's faster? Yeah, but like, you'll know in 20 minutes if it hasn't started writing files, it's probably still in the loop. I don't know, maybe this is just too complicated of a prompt. I need to try a simpler prompt. It's possible I just gave it too much, and it really did need to do this much thinking, but like, I don't know. 4 hours is excessive. Okay, I gotta go pee, so I'm gonna do that. I'll be back, chat. I promise when I get back, chat, we're going to actually code. What's up, AJ? That's a lot of Adam, 3-day streak. Yeah, I'm going to try. We'll see. I want you to be able to, I want you and David to be able to come over. Voice. Okay, I'll be right back. Yeah, I don't know. It's a Mac. Somebody solved the problem. What? Like they couldn't fill the ad? It's bad news for Twitch. Oh man. Should I figure out the audio so you can hear David and Dax? Do you guys have the patience to watch me try and figure out audio on a Mac? Yeah. Okay. Yes, it's yeses all around. Update screenshot images and docs to show current OpenCode UI or UI. Oh, I'm sure this is good. I wish you would put the screenshot here. Oh, I can see him right here. Nice, Ryan. Great work. Love it. Oh man, I like Ryan. You hear that, Ryan? I like you. Okay, let's figure out Mac audio. So let's fundamentally think about the problem. The problem is, let's go to OBS. The problem is, oh, Mac OS audio capture. Okay, let's stop the music because that's confusing this. Let's think about this. Dax, could you talk? Okay, so it's coming through on this. The question is, if I unmute this, does this also have my voice in it? So is my, oh no, it I hate you. Okay, now talk.
You hate me, why?
How's that volume-wise, chat?
Can they hear me?
They should be able to hear you now.
Can they hear me?
Too low?
Too
but
low.
You can hear him, but
Too
low. Okay, how about now? I just don't want to give Dax too much power because he will run with it. How about now? Keep talking, Dax.
Hey guys. Your Discord output audio is all the way maxed, right?
Don't know. Discord output audio.
Hello.
Where would I find that?
Hello.
Yeah, it's all the way maxed.
Hello. Done. Perfect.
So, David, are you there too? Better? Great.
I am indeed.
David's here. We got 3 members of the Anomaly Co team on the call. Feels good. Audio works.
All right, Twitch chat. What are we gonna do now?
Yeah, what are we gonna do now?
It's my stream. Adam, shut up.
I think I can just max that. I think that's just fine. You have a higher volume setting than I do. Okay. I guess we should talk about the stuff I need to build. And I guess I'm canceling this session so I can actually build it. It's a bummer, but I'm going to cancel it. And then David and I have real work to do, Dax. I don't know what you're doing here, but...
I don't have anything to do.
I feel like you do.
Nope.
Oh, I want to ask you, the new plan stuff, what does that look like coming into the desktop?
Technically nothing. Like, it's all within the framework of everything we already have, assuming you implemented the questions UI.
We did.
I
got to look at it some more. I haven't played with it at all, but it's there.
Yeah, I looked at it this morning. I'm going to design a bunch on that.
Yeah, if you...
So,
David, go ahead.
I was going to say that there's some bonus stuff you can do, which is like always have, I think there's someone submitted a PR with this concept, like always having, like if there is a plan file, always having that in a tab on the right. I don't know if it shows up in the session diff right now. I don't think it shows up in the session diff because it's like get ignored, or it should be get ignored. It might not be get ignored if you're already in a .opencode folder. But conceptually, I don't think it'll show up in the session diff because it's like a separate artifact.
Yeah. There was a message on Discord for being able to edit that markdown file as well, which we don't currently allow you to edit any files, but I think light editing of a markdown file in Plan is a good idea.
Yeah, this might, like, if we're gonna do plan mode well, this might be the first feature that forces, like, letting people edit a file. But yeah, my thinking was on that right tab, we have change files. You have another tab for the plan, and maybe like it flips to that if you're in plan mode in the plan agent. I gotta fix my terminology because we call it plan agent.
Okay, I wasn't listening, but I think the questions tool I just updated, so I wanted to see it. Ask me questions of all types. Wait, no, I'm in a branch. This won't work. Wait, yeah, well, the branch has nothing to do with it. Never mind. This isn't dev. This is okay. So it's got the jazzy animation. Did you see that, David?
Jazzy.
Oh, I guess we should get rid of the input. Should we get rid of the input whenever this pops up?
That's what we do in the TUI, but I don't know if that maps back to. We do that in the TUI because we try to keep only one element focusable. That's not really a thing in.
Yeah, but like, could you send a prompt right now?
It would get queued, but you could. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't really make sense to do anything besides answer these questions.
Yeah. Okay. So I can click that.
Yeah, go ahead. This animation is way too jazzy.
It's too jazzy for this, isn't it? I liked it for permissions, but it's probably too much for questions.
It looks pretty good though.
I'm gonna do some UI changes, I think.
Yeah, if you just David, if you just design them, then I bet Daniel would take your feedback and directly and just and change anything you want. Okay, cool. The questions were
wow. That is nice.
The edit. It is cool.
Did you implement this, or was it?
No,
PR?
this was Daniel. Daniel did this.
That's good.
It was annoying me so much just to have to like copy and paste answers into the prompt, or just like type out stuff that was already there. So this is really good.
Yeah, I'm glad it's in the product.
Yeah, me too.
Okay. I need to.
AJ recommends that you tone down the jazz and make it slow jazz.
Slow jazz. I forget about Twitch. Sorry, Twitch.
Looking for a saucy riff, not a spicy solo.
That's good. Okay, I want to actually implement all these changes, and AI has let me down, which is a bummer. I'm gonna have to do this all by hand. Oh, is that real? Is that a real error?
What if your mom?
It's funny.
Maybe different color jazz from the permission jazz.
Okay, I'm gonna turn my music back on. I hope this isn't too loud. Can you guys even hear that?
Is that lower our power?
Yes. No, I don't know. Oh, actually, it might not even be playing. Oh, yeah. Can you guys hear music?
No. Yeah, we still sound good.
Oh, my overlays are dead. Like, where did my overlay go? There it is. Building OpenCode is the topic. Seems appropriate. Okay. So here we are, David. I've got the... Okay, that's terrible. That button is terrible. So one thing, David, and this isn't fully... I haven't refined this exactly to match. But something about this just doesn't feel like... Okay, so those should be more indented. That's part of the problem. It doesn't feel like there's enough distinction between, like... There's just so much going on here, and I don't know what anything is. It's like, that's the name of the project, new workspace, and then it's like, this is a workspace, this is a session. The new session button goes away, so you can ignore that. The load more button goes away, or does it?
Ooh, so the new session button shouldn't be there. The new session button should be
No, I know. Let's fix that.
And then the new work. So yeah, you have to indent everything, but which will help with hierarchy. But I did consider putting a new workspace in like an actual button with like a border and shadow and everything. But I just never wanted to call that out so much, like because most. If we're thinking that most users just want to default to like we're introducing a big concept there, workspaces, which we don't currently have right now.
Mm-hmm.
So I was trying to keep it a bit more muted. But,
Okay.
But yeah, indent the stuff.
I'm gonna indent the stuff.
Session going.
Actually, Dax, since you're here, this is a good conversation to have with you. I think on we have this more options on a workspace. So these are work trees right now, Dax.
Yeah.
And I think we could the simple thing right now, like I'm doing everything manually in Git when I finish work on a work tree and it's just annoying. I think the simple thing would be like, let's just have a merge button inside those options that does, I don't know, what do we default to? I mean, I would prefer it rebase. We could have two options, squash and merge or rebase and merge or something. We can't really do the create pull requests unless we have their GitHub auth.
Yeah.
Or if they have the GH CLI tool installed. Do you have thoughts on that?
I think just having a very simple merge back to a branch off of button is good. And like, what if you just like did that through the PTY API?
Or the shell? No, I guess not the shell command. But why don't I like that?
I mean, it's not good, but like they could run into conflicts. It could run into all kinds of
I guess that's the question. Yeah.
UI.
So it just opens the terminal.
But if you put in the terminal and have it do it, then
they could actually interact with it.
Yeah.
So just talking,
it's shitty, but better than nothing.
Yeah, talking long term. What is the ideal UX there? If there are conflicts, what do we? This is where I wanted to just have like an agent.
I think we need. I mean, I think we need a UI for that, right? There's like no getting around it because even an agent's not going to be perfect. You're going to need to.
Why isn't an agent perfect? We're staking our careers on agents being perfect, Dax.
But like, they can fix every merge conflict without you ever having to do anything.
That's the promise of AI. Where have you been?
I do like the idea of having like a Git agent. We spoke about that and like mocked down a wireframe. I do like the idea of that.
Me too. I like the idea because I came up with it.
Yeah, I guess we could have like a merger, a merge agent.
Yeah, it's like just a Git agent. It's just your Git agent. Yeah. It's your Git bitch. It just does all your Git stuff. It could like slide out from the side, and all you do is like interact with it for that reason. Like the help menus on website stacks, like there's you know what I'm talking about? Like this. Oh, this isn't gonna. It's not gonna do that. Oh, is there a wireframe?
I mean, it's the ugly thing that we did like on a chat the other day.
Where is it?
Bitch wireframe?
Yeah, where is it? I will gladly show him the wireframe. I'm gonna follow you. You take me to it, David, the master of Figma. It's a gray box. Here it is, X.
It's a gray box.
It's the Git agent. I don't know what. Use your imagination.
No, it was over here.
That's amazing.
Over here. Look, this one. This one's got another gray box in it.
Oh, look, yeah, like this. So it could slide out. All your Git operations are just like a chat with an agent. Like, why would that not work?
Yeah. I think that works.
I feel like it could ask you, like, hey, there is a conflict I can't resolve. What do you think here? And like, it could present that with Markdown, however it wants, right?
Yeah, I mean, it just comes down to like, okay, but then I need to see the conflicts, or I need to see. It's just like I think we end up rebuilding the Git UI.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I don't want to do because Git UI is so complicated, and I feel like who wants to mess with like hunks and stuff anymore? As a developer, I'd rather AI just do this.
This is definitely good for now. It's definitely a good start. Like I think the only thing I'm saying, I'm skeptical that is going to be enough.
We should pull Twitch chat. We have the benefit of Twitch. Do you guys think it would be cool? Okay.
I'm sold on this concept.
Okay.
All I'm saying is like where we should start. I would be surprised if we never had to go any further.
Yeah, I could see people wanting like an advanced option. Boomers, you know, boomers are going to be like, I want to be able to do my Git operations manually by hand, uphill both ways in the snow.
Look, you already got people in chat. Nothing is better than IntelliJ merge conflict.
I did see that. Yeah, I made note of that in my brain to look at that. There's a lot of things people praise IntelliJ for, the diffs and the merge stuff.
IntelliJ has to be good because they're like expensive and closed source, so they're still really popular.
That's a good point.
I used to use their stuff a lot back in the day.
I guess I never used IntelliJ. I used a lot of
Like, it shows.
Wait, is it the same company that makes like ReSharper?
You definitely use ReSharper. Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
Yeah, I used ReSharper. Yeah, their stuff was good. It was very polished. Okay, so we're back over here. Okay, so for now I'm just gonna have a button in this little menu, and it's gonna be like a magical button that merges it back to your main branch. And then maybe I'll have a reset one that just does like a git reset to your main branch. Would that be good? So then you can reuse the work tree. And it could archive all the sessions when you click that button. Is that bad? And a delete.
No, I think that makes sense.
And I want a delete button. I want those 3 buttons, and then I can actually work with work trees. Because right now it's pretty rough.
Those buttons, there was get what?
Git merge, or it'd be like merge to main branch or something. And then there would be
a button label, but yeah.
and then so there's merging, then there's and there's 2 flavors of that. It's like either you want to merge commit or you want to rebase, right? I want to rebase, but that doesn't mean we could just put it in settings maybe and not complicate this. But so there's merge, and then there's I want to reset this work tree. So I want to reset that work tree back, like hard reset it to the dev branch or to your main branch. And then there's I want to delete the work tree. And I wonder if reset should actually clear out all the sessions, like just automatically archive all the sessions. That's what I would want from a workflow standpoint. Like I've done a bunch of sessions in this work tree. I'm done with the work. I've merged it back. Now I just want to clear out all the sessions and reset it. We could even just have like a pop-up after you merge that's like, do you want to reset the Git branch? Or do you want to reset the work tree? And then you click yes, and it does all those things. I don't know. That's what I want. Because if you look at like I have all these sandboxes or these work trees, and they all have a couple sessions on them, but I just want to like start resetting them. See how I get so lost? I'm so confused about what's the work tree and what's the sessions and there's just not enough like differentiation. It's all just like white and text. But I haven't done all your changes yet. Let's just do the changes and maybe it'll look better because I haven't indented that correctly, right? It's like I want some of these to be like wells. I want them to be like already bordered or something. But I hate borders, so...
Guys, Aiden is in this chat.
Aiden, I have a question for you. Aiden, tell me why. Where is it? Tell me why this session ran for 4 hours, Aiden. What did you do?
What do you mean?
Yeah, Aiden.
Aiden. Is it this one? It won't even load now. It's too big. It went 200 messages, and we killed it after 4 hours, but I'm telling you...
So Adam, that prompt that I started earlier today is still going, and this isn't even extra high.
Yeah, 5.2 is like, something is bad wrong. And it could be on their end, but I just wonder if there's anything we can do about it. I can't even use it right now.
I'm going to try the same prompt again with... Where else can I get 5.2? It's OpenCode Direct. Try that.
There's a really easy way to look into this, is to set up your proxy.
I did. I set up my proxy.
And then see what's happening, what's being sent, and why is it churning so many messages.
I mean, it all looks correct. Like it looks like, well, at least like the reasoning parameters look normal. But I guess let me check the input.
And recall that our defaults are not like 0. So like you might want to put it on like low instead of medium.
Yeah. I'm still testing. Yeah, but like I feel like last week I was just using this all the time and I was having a good time. Is it because we moved
it all the time
the system prompt into the input?
That's only if it's OAuth. It does like an OAuth check for OpenAI provider.
Oh, okay, so that is what I'm testing right now. Yeah, I mean, it all looked pretty regular. Just thinking super hard.
It's not regular.
Hi,
Something's
guys.
broken. Who's here? Who joined?
Aaron joined.
What's up, Aaron?
What's up?
This is becoming like a whole team call. This is awesome.
Somebody just sent me a prompt that they had that made it think really long, and then I'll play with it. Figure it
Yeah, that's what he sent me. Here,
I
there's
think,
one.
Vercel added more bug fixes like last night for the OpenAI provider, so maybe there's a chance that when I bumped it, they broke something, and then. But I don't know.
Here, this is a prompt. It like references screenshots, but I just wrote ignore missing screenshots at the bottom. So
Okay.
I'm trying with. Oh, if we do OAuth with OpenAI, does it not show reasoning?
No. I mean, I'm saying like, I'm asking. It should show reasoning. That's what I'm trying to say.
Okay, yeah. I was like, I have no idea what you mean by that.
248 minutes. Oh, it actually did make a to-do? I didn't know it made a to-do list.
Mine made a to-do list too, but it still just
It
went on
didn't get to
forever.
a single one of them.
That's-
Yeah.
Does Codex give it to-dos? Because honestly, I'm starting to think that the to-dos are stupid for most of these models.
I don't. To me, the to-dos were always aesthetic. It was just because we never implemented the reminders with the to-dos, so like it's not like we were actually doing anything with them.
Yeah, it just seems like it slows down even like Opus quite a bit. Stop it.
But like, yeah, it's just like a way for the user to see something. But
Yeah, I mean, I can look play with this.
It
If
would
there's
be.
nothing obvious, then really want to figure out what's going on with that ID issue because people keep complaining about that.
Yeah, that one sucks too. But that, I mean, at least I could use it back then, and sometimes it failed. It was like Russian roulette. Now I just can't even use it. I'm
for
not-
that one, we can just flip back or false, right?
So like, here's the weird thing is like with store false, you can still get that ID error, and then it's like, it's really funny because it's on OpenAI, OAuth too, and it will say like, hey, just flip it to true instead. And if you flip it to true, it's like you cannot set store to true when using OAuth or whatever. It's like, okay, thank you.
Oh, I see.
But I looked in Codex's code and I need to double check it, but it looked like they just weren't even sending the IDs. Like they just drop them all on the request. Like when they serialize the JSON, it's like filtered
Oh,
out.
interesting.
So I'm gonna see if that's like, maybe that's just the fix.
Hmm.
But I have to check with like a plan that's not like credit card off to make sure that like it's still okay, you know, because they have that weird like know your customer shit with reasoning.
All right.
So we'll see what happens there.
We got someone else join. Oh, someone
Right.
joining.
I feel like I should warn
Oh,
everyone.
there.
We are on Twitch. We are live on Twitch, team. If you're joining and
Oh.
talking, it's no worries. It's great. Just like don't say.
Oh, did you not
sensitive.
notate him?
Let me put on my clothes.
That's funny.
I mean, it's just audio. Does that affect how you sound?
No, I was just kidding. I was just kidding.
Oh man.
Or does that mean I should turn off my camera?
No, they can't see
Yeah,
you.
probably. They can see you drinking from a pink thermos right now. If
Audio is doubled. Sorry, guys. Music was coming through twice. I don't know how to stop that.
stop the music.
We literally don't have the technology.
Just stop.
I
the
yeah, I
music.
just stopped the music. That's what I did. Oh, I could leak something. We could leak something.
Sure.
It's coming today. For those in Twitch chat who keep asking about Black. Today. It's not ready yet. Don't try and do stuff. It won't work. But today. Right, guys? Today?
Today.
This should be a link, by the way, whoever's working on it right now.
Oh, nice. You guys did the embedded payment method stuff. Cool.
Is it actually wired up? Can I play with it?
Yep.
Nice! Look at that. Okay, cool. Yeah. So this is what Stripe Elements is these days?
Yeah, they only have these 4 very limited elements.
Hmm.
One thing that's
Your credit
missing from one thing that's missing from the hosted version is that you can collect the text ID from there, which some people have asked for because they're paying on behalf of company. That they don't have an element for, and I'd be pain in the ass to render a drop down with all the country and their tax codes and
Yeah.
like options, and then having to. So I'm just deferring that. They can do this and then go to the hosted page to update to put in their ID from there.
Hmm. Cool. I'm on the black wait list.
In dev.
In dev.
In dev.
Yeah.
Oh, I might wanna do some UI updates on that flow as well. Like some smaller tweaks.
It's all, this is all dev that I was playing with for what it's worth. It looks like that's transparent. I don't think that's supposed to be transparent. This box has no background. Did you guys see that? See that?
Yeah, let me check. I also like posted another update internally, so
Yeah, if you push to dev, Aaron, it should just show up on this eventually. This will get deployed automatically. Or did you need somebody to review it or something? Or you can just push it. It's fine.
yeah, I posted in our
Hello?
chat.
Are you talking to a laundry?
941513.
What do we got here?
It's the draft PR.
Thank you.
This one? Changelog? Is that ready now, Ryan? Did I hear you say that something was ready? No.
My laundry.
Oh yeah, good to merge. Look at this, guys. Changelog. It was tested locally. What do we think? Ship it?
Yeah, I mean, it's just a new page. It's fine.
This is a new page. Let's go. Thanks, Ryan.
Who made that, Ryan?
Yeah.
He's gonna 3D print it.
Oh, that's funny. Let me do this one first because this is probably smaller. New docs web page, document OpenCode web command. Seems good. New docs pages. Oh wait. I'll let you deal with that, Aiden. I'm not gonna merge it. I was just on a roll, you know. Okay. Aaron, is it draft because you're still working on it, or is it draft because
Merge it.
yeah, I was gonna say, can I just merge it?
Yeah, we can.
Okay, I'm merging
We
it.
can just all work off the same one.
Yeah.
We can still make like small tweaks, but
Ready for review.
Yeah, some bugs.
Squash and merge. Cool. So all that'll deploy here in a minute, and then we'll play with it.
Sure.
Okay. Oh, sorry, YouTube chat.
Okay.
Hey guys, how are you?
I'm gonna go work on the copy now.
Yeah, you do that, and somebody fix OpenAI for me. Who's gonna do that?
Sam Altman.
Sam Altman. Cool. Awesome. Looking forward to it. No, but is there any takeaway there? Is any? Am I just done using 5.2 forever? Because that's where I'm at right now until something changes. And I would like to use 5.2. Is Aiden still here? Is there anything we can try?
I don't know. I mean, I just tried the OpenAI OAuth one, and I have a similar issue.
Same thing. It's probably just on their end. What a shitty situation. I feel like I want to tweet something.
Or maybe your prompt is too crazy.
It could be too crazy. That I could just try. You know what? Let's just do this. Let's do this. We're gonna do like a little simple prompt, a little baby prompt, and just see what it does with XI. So I'm gonna go like this. I'm already connected to that one, so I'm gonna do new work tree. And I'm gonna say, I gotta do 5.2. I'm gonna do XI. I'm gonna say, tell me about this code base. So if this takes like more than 20 minutes, we know it's not just my prompt, because this should be like a quick one, right? We'll see how that does. We'll come back to it.
I had like a 1 hour prompt earlier.
Was
This day
it
with
5.2?
Yeah.
Yeah, GPT 5.2 is suddenly taking forever. It's unusable.
Like an hour. It's what the fuck?
Yeah, I had one going for 4 hours when I canceled it earlier. This one right here. Not the best. Okay, back to work. So these are text 14 regular, sortable project, or sortable session. They're not sortable. Oh, it's in here. It's right here. Yeah, for each session item. Oh, I don't like not having music. Are you guys, is everybody on Discord done? Are you still there, David?
I'm still here.
Okay. I don't know. Do we need to talk about stuff? Because I can't play music while you guys are here talking to me. And I want to listen to music.
I can just sing to you if you want.
That would be great, actually. Text 14 regular? Is that right? Does that text look, just looks way bigger. Text 14 regular. Does that session text look right? Let me get the indentation right, and then we can really judge it. So the
One
indentation.
quick
It's,
comment.
it's
in the
indented, but
sidebar on this
you
one.
see it?
Do we want to add like shortcuts between next new workspace?
Oh, like
Or is it on
a keyboard shortcut for creating new workspace? Yeah, we should definitely eventually have that.
And maybe move it like below the list. I'm not sure.
Like this at the bottom. I wondered that, David.
Yeah.
Should new workspace be at the bottom of the list of workspaces? I had the same thought.
Could be. It's just how you then deal with it being, yeah, you have to append to it. But then it's just always, then it's getting pushed further and further down the screen. And then it just stays there, and then things. Depends how you think about it. Like it's just, if it's at the top, it's always in a consistent place. If it's in this, if it's on below it, then it's gonna get pushed off the screen, or you've got to make it stick to the bottom, and then all subsequent ones have got to scroll behind it. And then what do you do with like the connect provider box if we want to have that there still? We could always move that though. I think let's play with it first, and then
We'll play with it. Oh, this is a span.
Yeah, we have to use it a couple times, and then we can figure it out.
So you can listen. But on the on those sessions, they're indented, but there is like an icon placeholder.
Yeah. That's what I'm doing.
A session that is running should have an agent animation.
I'm doing exactly that. Flex items center justify.
Can you pass it?
What's that?
Can you pass in a color to that animation? So
I
it
can.
could be the color of the agent. Yeah.
We just don't have color of an agent yet. Like that's not a thing.
I thought that was. We don't have it yet. Okay,
I think in the TUI we just hard code some colors, but like I don't think there's actually. Maybe there is. I don't think there's actually like a color field on the agent or something.
I think there is.
There is, yeah. Yeah, there is.
Okay, well there you go. I'll do that. Okay, so the indentation is not correct.
So you kicking us out now so you can listen to music?
No, it's fine. You guys can be here. It's fine. You're better. You're better than music. Gap 0.
Oh, that's so sweet, Adam.
No more pulsing. In fact, it's just a list, and that's just like that. Like that. Okay, so what's wrong here? Flex, that's gap 3. That's shrink 0. So this spinner is now going to move in here. Should the notification little like dot be where the spinner goes? David? Hey, if you're going to have audio, it can't be shitty. I can't hear you.
What was that?
Okay, that's better.
That was better. It sounded really weird.
It was weird, yeah.
That's just my voice, guys.
Well, it's fucked up.
Yeah, it is. 10 pixels? That's not right. How big is that? How big is that? It's 24
the dot should
pixels.
still be in the same place as always.
The what? Oh, the dot should be on the right side?
Let's think about it.
I feel like it should be where the loading indicator is. But what do I know?
That would make sense, but is that weird? No, let's do that. Put it there. Put it right in the middle of that space there. Yeah.
You got it. Okay. What's this looking like? What? This is not what I expected. Flex. Item center. Okay, so this outer flex can just go away. Wait. Group hover, session. Padding right. Does something only show on hover? Oh, the archive button.
The archive button annoys me.
Does it? We'll put it somewhere else then. Give me a good place for it.
I can't think of anywhere else to put it, but I don't know, seeing it just annoys me. I don't know why. Like, yeah, but we need it.
We need it. Oh, this doesn't go here though. This part goes down here. Okay, so we have these icons, which are like notification and spinner. What's the gap for on that? There's nothing. Why is this even flex? It doesn't even need to be flex. It's just one thing, right? Yeah. We only match one of these things. Let's see. So then item center gap 0. It's actually gap 1. And then title is text 14 regular, overflow hidden, truncate. Okay. And then this thing, it changes. So then justify between gap 3, min width 0, text left, width full. PL4 is probably false. So I guess I could just force the size on this. It's like a size 6. There we go, kind of. No. What? So if there's more, oh, there's padding. Yeah, that's that padding I just said. PL4 is wrong. PR2 also just gonna remove. Okay, we're almost lined up. We're so close. It's so weird to just be sitting in silence with no audio. Like no music.
We used to it.
Uh-huh.
Just accept it.
Okay. Let's go back here. So this guy has px2, so 8 pixels on the sides, 4 on the top and bottom. And then this guy, what do we got here? Okay, this has padding it should not have. PL2. Why does it have that? There's just so much random. Nav. PL2. Why? I don't know.
Yeah, you may have to
remove it.
clean that up at some point.
Yeah, at some point that made sense. Okay, so I see. So that's PL2, and what do I want in the way of padding that thing? Like all of this belongs to this, which I think in each individual item should have the padding, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, I guess it could have been done either way, but I'm going to do it this way. Each item is going to have some px2 action. Let's see, where was that? Here. So this is the item right here, this A element. I'm going to say px2. Oh, we already have a py1 there, so let's do that. Cool. And then what's next? It's not even reloading. What's that about? Oh, or it is. Oh, it should be a margin. Or there should be an outer container that has padding. Oh, it's this thing right here. This is where the px2 goes. Right? Or no, this is the hover thing. So it'd have to be outside of that. So just session item. I'm just gonna put it here. This is probably where it was to begin with. but I feel like that's better. Okay, inspect. So the nav has that. The gap on each of them is 4 pixels, which is correct. And then the individual item itself has no padding. Where does that padding come in? Okay, there's my 24 pixel icon placeholder. Is that lined up correctly? Let's just go ahead and put an icon in there and that'll help. Just put a spinner in there. That's not right. So let's see. Flex, item center, justify center. That's why I had those flexed. Okay, so there is a little padding involved. I'm just externally processing here. 8, and then this has 8 before the 24. Yeah. Or before the 26 or whatever. Okay, so there's another round of padding right in here. We're getting close. Ah, but that's not even, it's not even close looking. Oh, maybe this one had some that I missed. I don't think so, though. And then it goes 24 by 24, and then a 4 pixel. Yeah, 4 pixel flat gap on that. Yep. Okay, let's go back. So 8 on the outside, 8 on the inside. This is a 24 by 24. Yeah. And then 4 pixels. What's wrong? Maybe it's this thing that's different. Yeah, I think I missed maybe the 8 inner on that one. Or maybe the icon's not big enough. Should also be 24 by 24. I don't even know if anyone's still here. I might just be talking to myself.
No, I'm here. I'm here.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
just wrapping up my copy changes, which I just finished.
Cool.
Yo, I'm out for now. Let's chat later.
Oh, is it deployed? I could look at it now.
Hang on.
Yeah, it's deployed to dev.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I need to make that icon bigger.
See you later.
See ya. David, do you know what I mean about, like, does it feel like there's not enough visual distinction between everything? Maybe there is. I don't know.
Have a look.
Maybe there is. Sortable workspace. So on this one, the icon needs to be probably just straight large. And then we need to have padding. So PL2, PR16, huh? Okay. Well, then it does look like, oh wait, no, not large. So it's still a small icon, but we need to make this container. Class size 6, shrink 0. No, or it didn't reload. The not hot reloading is, oh, it's just wrong. Oh, because the size there, yeah, this needs to be on like a... Okay, it doesn't need a gap, but it does need shrink 0 size. Yeah. Okay, we're getting close. That is looking aligned? Is it? Let's just get rid of this new session button because that's driving me crazy. New session.
All right, where are we with the Zen stuff then? Are we?
Let's look at it.
Good now?
Let's look at it. What's up, everybody? Sorry, I forgot you were here and I don't talk to you at all. Hawk Tui. Okay, let's see. Let's go. We're gonna look at black. Where was that? I had it on one of these screens. Oh, right here. So it's probably deployed to dev now. Yeah, that looks better.
I mean, My changes are not, but mine were just copy changes, so I can ignore those.
Okay, so I see you got the icon changed out. It's no longer transparent. If I click on this,
Also, move this to the right of your screen. Move it to your right window so people can see.
Yeah. Did you see that little transition? This is probably, oh, oops. I think this is something Aaron just probably did. So he cleaned up, that's not transparent. When you click on this, watch what, you see that? Little animation action. Could you guys see that?
Yep.
They like
Yep.
burp. Okay, 200. If I click on this one, it kind of does that. See how that? Should that wrap like that to the next line? I guess maybe.
Which wrapped?
Like, should these, when they're expanded, should this line not just be up here next to the icon? Maybe it doesn't fit with all that extra information, like per person build monthly. Okay, continue. Oh, I've already done it, so I can't. How do I? If I like clear. If I like clear my here, app something, application, clear site data.
What are you trying?
I just wanted to run through the flow
Are you trying
again.
to log out?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's no logout button. Let's make this somebody make this a link back to OpenCode.ai. Who can do that?
Yeah, the home. Yeah,
That should be a link. There's no way to get back to the site right now. Okay, so 200 per month. Continue. With GitHub. Oh, it's gonna just know I'm already logged in. Oh, this is broken. It was working. Black subscribe, just 404s now.
No, it's because in dev you have to log in with an anomaly account now.
Oh, really? It should
yeah.
404 in that case. Well, that's good because I need to test.
Try logging with.
Yeah.
I mean, I am getting a 404 either way. It's not preserving the tier I selected.
Is Frank on here? Frank's not on here, is he?
No, but I'm digging into the issue.
You're getting it. Okay. I'm sure it's just I just merged that big PR and maybe Aaron made changes that didn't capture something that Frank had changed. I don't know.
Clear, preserve log doc. Okay, 100, continue.
What's up, Daniel? Yeah, it's live. It's not gonna work on prod, but you probably can see the black page.
Yeah, continue is wrong.
Six times more usage in Black 20, but only 4 times more squares. Come on. Workspace list had extra padding. No. Maybe. We'll look at it. I'm moving off of black. You guys got that? Got it under control now?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to see if I can change the... I was going to remove the new session buttons. So session item, and then we don't need this. And then the load more button, I guess we still have, but needs some work probably. Those are lined up, right? That icon and that icon? Yeah. Now let's change the color of the spinner and see what happens. Sortable. No, it's a session item. So if I change, how could I get the agent color so I can just do this the right way? For now, I'm just going to do this text interactive. Let's just see what it does. Oh, it does work. Haha. SVGs are cool. Does that need to be bigger? Let's see. Ooh, I want these new layout changes. I want them deployed. I'm going to do this today. I'm getting it done because I need it. I need this in my life.
He needs it.
24 by 24, but then the inner thing is only 10 by 10.
Okay, I think I fixed the 404, but now it's saying, what the heck?
Yeah, that's definitely bigger. That should be 15 by 15. And it is what? 10 by 10. So, okay, I can fix that. I'm a developer. I know how to fix things. Size 2.5. That should be instead, what did I say? 15 by 15, so 3.5? Oh, I was so close. How about that? How you like that arbitrary style thing? Oh yeah, that's looking nice. Okay. I mean, it would be overwhelming if every session was busy like that, but now I just gotta figure out how to pass the color in from the agent. So it's the color of the current agent. So is working. Let's think about this. Is working. We get the props session ID, has permissions. Okay, status. Okay. So I need the whole session object. Do I have that somewhere? For each session item, do I not have the session object? Let's see. Session store. Hey Dax, there's a someone weed eating at your house. I don't know if you're aware of that.
Yeah. How is that happening when my grass is fake?
That's a great question. You have AstroTurf. How's there weed eating going on?
It sounds like a leaf.
Oh no, you know what? It's my yeah, my leaf blower. Also, my front yard has real grass now.
Oh, it
Keep
does.
it real in the front, keep it fake in the back.
It's a grass mullet, a lawn mullet. Okay, so I have this session thing. So if I just said const agent equals create memo. If I said session.agent, come on, what is this? Oh, props.session.age. How do I get the agent on a session, Dax? Is it on the message? Oh, it's on the message. It's on the message. I need the active message of the session. Ooh, did it just work? Props session ID. So that's all the messages. And then message find role assistant. No, that's not right. I need the user message.
If you want to take a look in Figma, I took
Yeah.
your feedback on board, and
Did you really? Did you just make changes to make it better?
I mean, you
Where are
prompted,
you?
so
I prompted. Where do I need to look?
just follow my avatar. Just come down.
Yeah,
like,
yeah, yeah.
Go down. There you go.
Oh, new workspace button is like not a ghost button. Okay.
But it just that helps. That definitely helps
does help.
differentiate between like the header area, like the project, and also putting the path there maybe to give it like, you know.
I like the path. Yeah.
And then you kind of get a sense of like there's a like above the button and below the button, that's a list below it. But the only problem I thought would be that just feels like I should instinctively be clicking new workspaces because that feels like it's a primary action. And I don't know if that's the case.
It's
but
not
I think
the
it helps
case.
to create hierarchy. Maybe it should be the case though. Maybe it will be the case.
Maybe.
Like the new session button is kind of, unless we could put one sec. We could add a lot more space between the list items.
Yeah, something there so they're not running together would be nice.
Yeah, but then on here,
and you don't have a load more button. Is that by design?
That's just because I forgot. I thought we'd use the same one, but I can put it in.
Yeah,
So
it can just be the same one. It's fine.
Like we could put a. What does that look like? Does that?
I don't hate it. I feel like it should be like it should have like a well around it or something though. I feel like it should be like, but not like a button, but like a darker like inset or something. Maybe not. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm not a designer.
Over here like this.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about, but I don't think that's not a good idea probably. I guess it'll have a hover state when you hover it.
Yeah, when you hover it, it's got a hover state.
Yeah. Is that good? What do we think?
I mean, I don't like having the new session being on this row item here. Just always feels hidden to me.
It does, yeah.
Maybe this feels more explicit.
Yeah, I think I like that. Right after I just got rid of the new session button, I can bring it back and restyle it.
But I think we have to have more space between it, so like they don't run into each other. That was important.
Yeah, what was that gap? What do you have it set to now?
I mean, I just threw in 24, but we can play with it. I mean, the more we put it, the less we can fit on the screen, right? So
right. Yeah.
16 might be 16.
Yeah, that's probably good enough. Let's just make that change and just start seeing it. Okay, so that would be workspace item. What's up?
Just not sure how I feel that. 1 second, let me just play with something. That having that new session icon just like underhanging, like those workspace like kind of like branch icons help to give it hierarchy. And like these won't always be here. These like running, they're just like so like it helps indent it, and then all of a sudden it's indented, and then like it pops out from the indent.
Yeah,
it's like
that's not the best.
It gets confused.
What if the new session button was at the top, like at the right below the workspace name? Is that bad too?
Let's just try it. Move it up. Feels like you're appending to that list though. You'd want to. Maybe it's not the worst.
I don't know.
Because maybe it's not the worst actually, because you know why? It solves that issue of the icon thing, and when we have like the load more, otherwise, where'd you put that? You have to put the load more above the new session button. What does it feel like if it's actually a button?
Yeah, what does that feel like? I don't see a gap on these. Did I not have a gap on these? Maybe not. So if I do gap, what did you say, 16? Oh yeah, I need more space. That's good. That feels real nice. More space, and then a new session button. Let me move the new session button up. So I gotta re-implement the session button. That's all there is to it. I just deleted it, and that kind of sucks, but I guess I could grab it from here. New session right there. Cool. And that would be in the sortable workspace, right? Yeah, it's at the top of the list. So here, let's just see what that looks like. New session. Oh, it's even kind of lined up. I gotta change out that icon. Right, you had the... Oh, you're trying with the button? I don't like it.
It's not enough yet. It's too repetitive, and it's
I don't like it. This is the edit. Okay. Is that already lined up? Is there something wrong with this button? Something seemed wrong.
I think Did you just have a plus icon there for the new session?
I
'Cause
did
think-
before, yeah. But I changed it to this one. Do you not like it?
I can't. I don't know. It just feels busy, but then I don't like using the plus everywhere all the time. It's
Yeah,
just a
like we
plus
already
bigger-
have
a
so many
plus
pluses.
smaller.
Pluses,
Make
pluses,
another plus
pluses.
bigger. Plus is too small.
I'm so bummed about 5.2 not working. I need 5.2 in my life. I love that model. And it just sucks now. Takes forever. What happened?
Skill issue.
It's not skill issues. Oh, I did a test. Let's check the test. Everyone, the test. We forgot. Oh, it finished in 4 minutes. So it's my prompt. My prompt is too complicated. I wonder if that lines up with Dax's experience, because he also felt this, like he couldn't even use it anymore. So maybe we were both just doing complicated prompts. We just started giving it too much. We started relying on it too hard. Never used workspaces. I'm a no workspace viber. Yeah, it does feel bad to make it too Kaise's typing. To make it too prominent when like not everybody wants to use workspaces. It's definitely not like for everybody. Loving my open code. That's so great to hear, Yashnu from YouTube chat. Because I do look at YouTube chat as well. Maybe a small button with tooltip next to the workspace name. That's what we had first. Shown on hover. That's what we had first, Philip. Maybe empty icons, like a check mark a la I'm ready. What's up, Thoughtless?
Yeah, I'm not loving this button, the new session button there.
You don't love the button here? I don't either.
I just feel like it should just be like, here's your workspace name, then a list of sessions.
Do you just want to have it here like I had? I started to add it here. I need to fix all this, but is that what you like?
I think so. But
Okay.
that chevron should be after the name.
Yeah,
right?
I know. It's all wrong. It was AI.
And the load more, indent the load more so it's in line with the text when you get to it. And
Indent.
then,
Oh yeah, I'll get to it. I'm just trying to figure out if this is
then-
actually lined up correctly because that local seems off. Oh yeah, the gap is 8 pixels instead of whatever the hell I did on these. 6 pixels. Where's the gap? Gap 1. Oh, 4 pixels. Okay, so that's the problem. That's why it's not quite lined up. I can fix that. Gap 2.
I think we need to, and I don't know what the right way to answer this question is, but have like a hypothesis on people using workspaces, right? Like just so we know how to design it, like how to design it, how important it is. Like, because we could really make it like minimal. Like it could be just like you have to go into the that header area where like the open code in the path is. Like you can add them up there some way by like hovering and clicking on something, or like we've gone with like a button, right? Like which is big and shouty. Like I just hate for people. I just hate for it to just be this big button and people never use it and they feel like they should be using it.
Yeah,
and
no,
then
I
they
hear
use it,
you.
they get confused.
Yeah, so the default experience could be that you don't even see, like, because if you get rid of the button, there's still the question of why does this say local and then like the name of the branch. Maybe that's fine all the time, even if you didn't ever create a second workspace. Maybe that's fine, but like it shouldn't be collapsible. Why would you collapse it? It's the only thing in this thing. If you don't have multiple workspaces, you know what I mean?
What if it was? This is gonna sound crazy. I don't know if it's possible. Like we have it like currently, where it's like you look at your local branch, like where it says local dev, like you interact with that to add a new one.
Oh, to add a
That's
new
really,
workspace?
like we currently got it. Like if when like it says main branch on the new session screen, and you click on it, there's a drop down, and there's like the option of your sessions, and like.
Wait, what are you talking about? Talk slower. We say main branch on the what? Oh, in the new session. So right here, right here.
Oh, I can't. I'm struggling screens. Like there, yeah, right. So like, it just feels too hidden. And then you put it on every single one. Do you put it on? Then you've got no, I don't like that. I'm just thinking out loud.
Yeah, it's too hidden over here. I mean, this could still be here. It's just I don't think that should be the only way to create new workspaces. Man, I need some functionality to clean these up because I have so many of them and I need to just start deleting them. But we also need to close out all the work that some of these are associated with, like selecting code and adding it to context stack or David. We got to do that work because I got to close that branch out.
Yeah.
I know. There's a lot of things. Many things to do. This is feeling pretty good to me. But I'm like a workspace maxer. Like I want lots of workspaces. So maybe other people would hate this. I mean, obviously they're not all going to be pending. I'll get the agent color in there, but I don't know. This is feeling pretty good to me, layout wise. But yeah, the question remains for default users: do we want to introduce this workspace thing? I don't know. Twitch chat, you're developers. What do you guys think? Do you like the idea of workspaces being shoved down your throat, or do you not want to see them? Are you offended by workspaces? I never use workspaces. I'm a no workspace viber. I read that one earlier. I'm leaving for now. Got to see my orthodontist. See you, Philip. Have a nice stream. Thanks. I don't use workspaces. What do you use it for? For several iterations of the same feature / fix. I would prefer branches. Yet, so the way I use workspaces is no good to force it. I too don't use workspaces. The only reason I started using workspaces is that GPT 5.2 is slow, and that makes me want to have parallel work going on. So I create a new workspace, and then I can have stuff going on a separate isolated file system without touching the current work I'm doing on like the main branch or something. That's why I use workspaces, is just to parallelize. So it is a new branch. Go ahead.
What if we make it so like where we have like the project title at the top, and we're gonna have like some options there. What about if you could just go into the options and just enable it? If you enable it, then we show the big button.
Yeah.
And then we do show like local dev, and we group everything by workspace title.
Yeah.
And if you haven't enabled it, then you just get like the default experiences, which is just sessions.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
That makes sense.
Like, I think that could solve it, because then you're like opting into like, that's how I think about things. I'm a workspace person.
Yeah.
Because
it could be like an experimental thing right now. Like you enable it, and then once we feel better about it, we can figure out if it fits in more of a default. Yeah, that's fine. So
if we don't have it, then it's just we don't have it.
Oh, yeah, what does that change? Can you mock up what that would look like without it while I go pee?
Well, yeah, okay.
I have to pee. So
do you want me to just run the stream while you're peeing?
Yeah, could you? That'd be great. I'll be right back. I gotta pee.
Cool. All right, so.
I'm coming back. Dax started. No, they couldn't hear you because I went to break and it's a different screen. Dax, you can talk now. I'm just gonna go pee while you guys are chatting with Dax. What's going on? Did I mute Dax? You guys couldn't even hear Dax that whole time? What? Wait, talk. Oh,
Hello.
I'm so sorry, guys. Now you can hear Dax. It's on this scene. I didn't have it enabled on the other scene. That's funny. Do you want to tell them something, Dax? Say something to chat. Well, now you're not going to talk, Dax? Is that just like you freezing us out? Is he still here?
He's upset that you muted him.
Oh, man. Okay, it seems like chat overwhelmingly thinks we should not default to workspaces. That's
All right,
cool.
guys, let's see how many of these we book.
Did you want to tell chat something
Why
now?
can't I hear anything now?
Can you hear me, Dax?
Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, we can
Yes.
hear you. Can you hear us?
What the heck?
I think it's skill issues on Dax's end. Is this enabled? Can I just like do this now?
Define this.
Yeah, Aaron said he was pushing more changes.
But it functions? It's functional?
Yeah, it works. People are signing up.
People are signing up? All right.
Yep.
Is that a link now? No,
Let's-
because nobody listens to me. Did you tweet it out, or is it just on Twitch right now?
I just tweeted it out.
Cool.
I just tweeted it. Why?
Let's retweet that thing.
Animations flying everywhere. I just don't like the animations.
Oh, you don't like them?
But all you devs are going to be like, ooh, animations. And I'm just like, ugh, animations.
I personally am not a big animations guy.
I'm not
but,
either. I'll be honest. Yeah, I don't see
but
the animations.
it's,
Oh, they're there. Yeah.
They're everywhere.
I don't think they
I'm
look.
like,
I don't think they look that bad. Also, I mean, I for me, it's more about like I hate animations in a product.
Yeah.
I don't really care too much about it.
Did you tweet it from yours too? Do I retweet both of them? What am I doing here?
I just retweeted. I just tweeted from the main account and retweeted from mine.
Got it. Okay, cool. All right, chat. Thank you for your patience. So we're gonna make them not enabled by default. Did you figure that out, David? Did you fix it?
I don't know if I figured it out, but if you come down here,
Mm-hmm.
then the default experience would be, hey, you're in this project. Here's your path to this project. You can just add new sessions to this project, and here's a list of all your sessions. Right?
Beautiful.
And then if you go into the options, whether we pull it out at this level or whether we bury it inside of edit project, I don't know. But like you can then enable workspaces, and when you do, then the hierarchy change because the button then becomes a new workspace button, and now you have the workspace labels above each of your sessions, and your sessions are all grouped by workspace.
Yes. And then the
I
new
think this
session
is-
button goes into the
into the title like we've currently got it, like into the when you hover over a workspace.
Yep.
Because you've opted into it, so I feel like then it's you kind of that mental model then works. So yeah, the questions are what happens like once you've enabled a workspace, when you want to disable workspaces. How do you disable workspaces if you've already currently got workspaces open? Do you have to do you have to kill them all first before you disable?
You wouldn't have to. They'll just live on your system, and you just won't have any access until you enable them again. But like,
all right,
we could just hide it straight away.
Right.
Yeah.
All right, so it's the client thing then, so we can just hide it.
Could it just be a
Oh, shit,
toggle?
do we have Apple Pay turned off?
I mean, it could be a toggle. I went and grabbed just components that I already had. Like, let me just massage that a little bit.
Yeah,
and
play
polish
with it,
But, like,
and-
effectively, there'll just be a way to like turn it on and off.
Yes, I think it's beautiful. Love it. I mean, this concept of just turning it on and off. Yeah, love it.
I think it cleans up. Also, then like this sidebar area just feels like it's got a lot more.
Yeah, it's more structured.
More hierarchy and polish.
Yeah.
Than we've currently got.
I love it. I'll make the changes right
Wait,
now.
The only thing I see, the only issue I see is, these are all indented, right? And then like say you get rid of, say you haven't got any running, like Basically, they're just going to be all weird if they're all just indented like this. See?
Oh, like if they don't have status, they look weird. Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Oh, what's the solve for that? Yeah, I don't know. A lot of them might have like notifications on them, like they're done or they're, but I guess a lot of them won't have anything. What if it's just a gray dot, like a very faint gray dot if there's nothing going on with it, if it's just idle?
Leave it as it is for now, like that component,
Okay.
and we'll just see how we feel with it empty.
Okay.
Yeah.
I updated the
like,
casing because I wanted you to feel the pain that it does not look nice and like capitalized. So if you don't like the font size or something when it looks like that, that's how it actually looks.
You edited this? You edited
I
the
did
Figma?
just now, yes.
Oh wow, I'm so proud.
I know how to switch to the button where I can make edits. It's this one. This is when I become a designer. I'm a developer. I'm a designer. Developer, designer.
If I can be a developer with OpenCode, you can be a designer with Figma.
That's funny. Okay, well, I don't know if you saw, I've got some of this stuff in place. This isn't fully styled, but it works. And I'll make it better. These I gotta remove.
Oh yeah, I need to show you my my combined kind of command palette and files thing.
Oh yeah, I
want to
see that.
Well, I haven't done it yet, but what I was saying was, like how like command palettes usually like it's just to help you to expose commands or help you find stuff, and that's I don't know if we need two modals for that. Just like you bring up the command palette, we can either show you some recent files, or we show you some suggested commands, and then as you start to search, like Raycast, right? Raycast has like an empty default experience. Empty might be a little bit too harsh, but then as you start to search, we can just like the search results.
It's searching both things. Yeah.
It's searching both things, and it's just grouped like, you know, clearly these ones are files, and you know clearly these ones are commands. And
can you mock that? If you can mock that up, I might be able to get a contributor to help me do that work while I'm working on the million other things.
Yes, I'll do it right now.
That would be helpful.
Unless there's like, that's only a quick one. Yeah, I'll do that. I'll finish what I was doing on settings, and then
yeah, that's fine. What did you think about the idea that this pane, the review pane should always be open? Like there should always just like an empty default state over here and keep this constrained. Thoughts on that?
Agree. I didn't agree. I don't know if I agreed, but I thought it was interesting. I've got it as a note up here saying need empty state for changed files, the review thing. So yeah,
you don't have to think about it right now, but
like what does it include? Like what will be in it? Like what have we got to play with? What data? Like what?
Nothing.
Like,
it would be an empty state. Yeah, like no changes yet or something. I don't know. It would simplify like I don't know. Maybe it's not good. Like when there's multiple messages, and we have this very different like this layout versus the constrained one. You know what I'm talking about? Like
yeah, I don't like that.
Yeah, versus this.
It would simplify it.
It would simplify things. I don't know. Just maybe think about
it. I think in the early days when we were doing it, I'm trying to remember why we went down that path. Like it helps. Like when you already come in and you're already constrained into that little side panel, I guess it just feels like the other one feels more like light and airy. Like it's like this like minimalist note-taking app almost. Like you just get to put your thoughts down. Whereas the other one just feels like you're in an editor. Maybe it's a bad thing.
No, I know what you're saying though.
But I agree. I don't like the jumping around. Let me do an empty state.
Okay, it's fine.
You sure there's nothing we can play with? Like there's no data there? I guess there's no.
Yeah, what would it be?
Like
recent files. We could show recent files or something.
Let me play. I'll do
yeah,
that.
play with it. I'm gonna do some more of this work here. Let's see. You've got this is text 12 regular, just stacked right below it. What am I doing?
That path's probably going to need some. It's going to need truncation, but it's going to need truncation not at the end, probably like in the middle.
Yeah,
so you can get context. Yeah.
I know the trick there. Are we getting sign up stacks?
Yeah, you guys want to?
Do you want to talk about it?
I can't say the numbers on stream.
Can't say it on stream.
I'll just post. I guess you're gonna leak it if I post it.
Yeah, I can't see it now. I guess do it in code. Twitch chat might be kind of dumb. Maybe you could just like, how about good, bad, medium? I don't know. We can talk about it offline. It's fine. We have had signups.
It's normal. It's normal. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. It's just a distribution that's interesting. Let me see. I can probably talk about that. Yeah, I think like 40% have gone for. Maybe I shouldn't eyeball this.
Hey Dax, in my SQL, there's this thing called group by. You can just group a column by the value.
I did do that.
I think Frank's trolling. Is he trolling you?
40% are on the 200 plan.
40% on the 200 plan.
Yeah, but we'll see. And 30 are on the $20 plan.
30% on the $20, so the 100 is squeezed out.
Yeah, and then like 18 on the 100.
Interesting. Text 12 regular, text base. Text 12 regular, text base. And then these should be not, it should be flex call. Oh man, it's almost salad time. I'm getting excited. I guess I don't need.
It's almost salad time?
It's almost salad time. I guess I don't need the, it's almost time for my salad. I'm very excited. Do I need the tooltip? I don't need the tooltip anymore because we show the, yeah, I'm just getting rid of this. What we got going on here? Flex call, item center, justify between. No, what is all this? This is all wrong.
Frank, Frank, sorry. We gotta get the usage page up because I'm getting a lot of emails about people asking about that, and we get a lot of questions about that. So just like a place where it shows a percentage.
Yep.
Adam, we should put a tooltip on the actual path itself. So anywhere where we ever truncate anything, we should always have a tooltip where when you hover over it, you get a full piece of text.
Yeah.
But that would just be on the path itself. So if I purposely hover over the path itself, not if I hover over the entire like row.
Right.
It's like including...
Right. Why is that centered? Oh, items start. Sorry, I was totally listening, but also that was bothering me and I had to fix it. Yeah, I'll put it on the path so when it's truncated, it's. Oh, that's Okay. Undo. We're gonna put this. Let's just do this. Let's do. And then another span. And that's text 12 regular, text base. What? Flex call? Why do I have to do that? Why would I have to do that? I don't know. Okay, we're getting there. I need to do the thing where I trim that like I do on the home.tsx. Project work tree. Yeah, here we go. Project work tree replace homedir. What's homedir? sync.data.path.home. Okay. Back here. Project. Open project. Where am I? Sidebar content. That's not what I want. Oh, here we go. Project and project work tree. So if I put it up here, I need to use sync. It's probably global sync. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, right here. Thought it could figure that out. What? What? Oh. Let's go. I really gotta stop saying let's go. It kind of drives me crazy. I don't like being that let's go guy. It's like woo girls, like let's go guys. Okay, OpenCode, and then we have our directory, which does have a tooltip on the whole thing. I'm gonna move this tooltip to be here. Ah, why'd that do that? Why'd you do that? Why would a tooltip have that effect? What? What? What did it? What? Why? Why would a tooltip do that? Or it's the absence of the tooltip on the outside that did that. This is the whole thing, right? So shrink, flex call, item center, justify between, item center. Why is that there? Justify between. Ooh. There's not even anything. I guess I'm going to put stuff, but it's not going to be here. Okay. Whew. Whew. All right, new workspace button is going to be hidden behind a flag that we're going to toggle in settings or somehow. These are done. I just need to clean up this open project button. We're getting somewhere. I got to get rid of this stuff. Did you design? Oh yeah, you put those over here.
We could put the workspaces underneath the flag, like OpenCode _ experimental _ workspaces _ memo.
That's funny. Okay, there's a problem with my width. David doesn't like the archive button, but he hasn't given me another solution, so it's tough.
I think it has to live there, to be honest. I mean, are there any other options you would want on a session?
Yeah, we already have other options, right? Oh, we haven't introduced them yet. So renaming a session is an option we need to have. You need to be able to fork a session, duplicate a session. There's a lot of things you need to be able to do to sessions.
So in that case, then, well, renaming, I think there's already a design for that. You should be able to just double click on it and it'll just turn into an input.
Yeah, I'll do that. Yeah.
And then in that case, then the workspace isn't a workspace icon. It's just an options icon, and you click it and you get a drop down with all the options available to you.
Yeah, that's good. I like that.
Yeah.
I like that. Okay, so this is where that stuff goes. Okay, so I need to figure out this width. Overflow hidden, text ellipsis. Okay, so it should be like width full, min width 0 or something. Is that why it's not truncating? Why is that text suddenly shrink 0, gap 1? Hey, thanks. Somebody did something. Defy, thank you so much for the resub. Prime. Subscriber for 20 months? I've streamed for 20 months? What? What? 40% on 200 planes, 650,000 is monthly actives. Wouldn't that be 52 million? Whoa, thoughtless. I think you got to head yourself on the math there. He wasn't saying 40% of our users signed up for the 200. That's not what he was saying. Nope. Last night I coded up a system that embeds your secrets like in an env into a meme that you can share on GitHub. Let me know how I can get into OpenCode. Sounds like a potential vulnerability there on purpose. Welcome to chat, Dark Hero. Hey, Adam, is SWE now automated and hands-off, or are we going to just build more complex software as humanity, which will still require human input? I mean, all I've done is code by hand today, so if that's any indication, it's either skill issues on my end, or that's a sign that we're still needed. Need a 3-dot menu, maybe a vertical one close to that loading icon. Yes, yes, yes. That's what we're gonna do. Okay. Check Twitch chat. Thanks for letting telling me to check Twitch chat, Ryan, in YouTube chat. That's helpful. Okay, let's see. I need to do this session button, or the work tree button just needs to be an actual button. So let's do that. New work tree or workspace is not a ghost variant, and thusly doesn't need all that stuff. New workspace. I feel like the padding is off on that. It is.
Oh man, I have a call that I'm late for.
Oh,
Jumping off.
see it, Dax. So we have 8 and 12 on this container, and then we have just containers nested in containers. What is going on here? There's some more padding there. What is that padding? New workspace, 8 and 12. And then, why do I feel like that button, that's more than 8 pixels? What is that right there? What is that? It's very strange to me. Like we're all seeing this, right? There's like an extra 8 pixels there, but it's not accounted for anywhere. Is this like absolutely positioned or something?
No, 1 second. Let me get to it. I'm gonna have to start really setting up these components like with all the padding like legit, because
you don't think I look at that stuff? Yeah, I obsess over every little thing, how it's actually laid out, and if you're
oh, 1 sec, that button has just got a fixed width because I just grabbed it and pasted it in. Oh, no, it's right. No, I did no. 1 second. It just needs to be yeah, the padding needs to be 18, but you probably
18 or 16.
No, 20. It needs to be 20. Sorry.
20. Okay, so just 20 and 12. Okay, so PX.
Basically, what's happening is, if I can just, let me just remember this. Yeah, like overall, like the content wants to be like 20 pixels in from like the side, right? That's where like the text and everything and the button wants to be. But then, wait, is that right? 1 second, let me just grab this one below it and see.
Like these things have a larger hover state for what it's worth.
Wait, should that one just be set to fill? Can you unselect? Can you Figma just? Oh, you know, I'll do it on a different one. It's you've got it selected, so like it just looks like ass on my screen. Can I say ass on your stream?
Yeah, you can. What's selected? I've got what selected?
Yeah, just in Figma. Never mind, I'll do it.
Oh, okay.
Like when you leave something.
I gotcha. Sorry, yeah. So it should be like that.
No, that's what I'm saying. I was just thinking, like, should it align with? I don't think it should align with all this stuff down here. It should be 20 pixels padding.
Okay. This is what I got. 20 pixels on both sides.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah.
Okay. And that'll say new session if you don't have the workspaces. Did you think more about that? Are we going to do like a toggle, or is it going to be hidden behind the menu?
I was just helping with some black stuff.
Oh, you're
and that
good.
was good.
No, worry about black.
It's-
That's way more
I've
important.
got my little list here. If you want me to adjust the order of it, I've got.
Enable workspaces
No,
settings
I'll
finish
do the command
status.
palette there.
What's settings finish status?
Oh, I was in the middle of, remember that the server stuff I just posted today? I was moving that from being a pop-up and moving it down into
Oh yeah.
becoming
I can't. We can't start on that work until I get settings launched, probably. So.
it was just because I was like mid doing it, so I was just.
Oh, that's fine. Yeah, you can finish it. That's fine. Am I pretty close to like the layout changes being done? Am I missing any big stuff? If I get this sidebar done, is that basically it? Like we got the custom.
All the hover states. So like when you toggle that sidebar closed, we need all those hover states on the actual projects themselves. So basically, it's taking that list.
Say it again.
The way you say that. What?
What? Where did my buttons up here go?
It's right next to you, like in the.
What's right next to me? What are you talking about?
In Figma. Oh, I'm looking
in
at Figma.
Figma.
You're looking
Oh,
at
I'm sorry.
Dude.
Okay. Yeah, where are you? Oh, the hover state. Yeah. I was trying to get AI to do that, right? And then it just did not do any of it.
This right now isn't, because we just were playing around with it in real time. Like it's got some mistakes in like these.
But it should have a hover. Yeah. I got you.
And it's basically, remember, it's the exact same list that you've
just
got
tighter.
There, only they're tighter because you can't edit there because that kind of be weird. Or, unless you do think you can be able to edit there. Like,
no.
I don't think you should. It's weird.
No, I don't think so.
Okay.
So that hover state thing, that's the biggest thing left. I gotta get this merged today. That's the goal. Hey, thanks for that, raid. AO. Thank you so much for the raid. Welcome, raiders. From AO. Gaknoy, thanks so much for the prime sub. Center and max width, maybe? Gap? What are you guys talking about? Was I a designer? Hey, David, we just got rated by a designer. I can only assume that's because they saw Figma because we're talking and they think I'm a designer. I mean, I kind of am. So, welcome to Design Twitch. Never seen this side of Twitch. I don't know what happened to all my buttons. That's concerning. I did not explicitly remove anything from up here. It's just gone. Oh, there they are. That's not good. I'll have to look into that. Okay, I'm gonna just get this text truncating again because I don't know how that broke, and then I probably need to get off here and talk. I want to actually talk to the team. GNZ Paz, thanks so much for that tier 1 sub. I appreciate that. It's going good, Stony Eagle. We are just wrapping up some stuff on OpenCode. Container has a width on it that is larger than the width set on the button. Thank you so much, Mark Doe. You just figured out my problem. Where is the container that has a width on it? I was trying to fix the text on... I'm just bouncing around too much. Is it this? No, I was trying to fix the session item. Oh, God. And it's down here. Oh, fly just flew in my eyeball. Here somewhere. Oh, right here. So you're saying the container has a width that's larger. What is the container? I guess the anchor is an outer container, has width full. And then this one has width full. And the truncate stuff. This isn't a flex. So this should be like grow 1, right? I don't even need that, do I? Is that the issue? No? Somebody want to tell me the answer? I'm clearly struggling here. If that's grow and those are shrink, does it still need width full? I don't think so. Okay, I give up. Twitch chat answer it. In Figma, not sure is in your code. Container has a width. Let's see. Anybody give me the answer yet? What are you trying? I'm trying to fix just export as PNG. Yeah. I'm trying to fix this. The text is no longer truncating. it was truncating, and I shuffled some stuff around, and now this text in here is not respecting the width of. So this is a flex. Oh, maybe this needs to be width full, and then this one down here. Is it grow 1, or did I just mess that up? No, that's right. I guess that wouldn't need width full, or would it? If it's got grow, it wouldn't. Yeah, there we go. Now we're good. Okay. So I just didn't have it on the outer container. Okay, so those are all working. I'm gonna wrap the rest of this off stream and get this thing merged. Thank you so much for hanging out, everybody. Stupid flex containers. That's right, sick mofo. Stupid flex containers. You too, Thoughtless. It's been fun. Is anyone still here? Is my Discord dead now? Is anybody in here? You guys are still in here. David's here. Aiden's here. Frank's here. Thanks for my special guests from the Anomaly team. Aiden and Dax and David and Frank. Whoever else was here. Aaron was here for a bit. We will catch you guys tomorrow. See you in the OpenCode Discord. That's right.
OpenCode?
OpenCode Discord. That's what I said. Aiden, did you fix my GPT 5.2 issue yet, or still working on it?
Let's play with that.
Yeah, let's. All right, I'm gonna hit the outro button. We'll see if it works. See you guys.
Good luck.